Hello and welcome to my workshop. I'm pleased to present the channel My Views on Tech to you, who built the tiny wood workshop based on the set of plans and building instructions which can be obtained on my website. He uploaded a great how-to video about part 1 of this build. When I started to build the tiny wood workshop quite some time ago, I did it without plans and even without any idea where the journey was going to take me. I mean, I never expected that I was going to become nearly a full-stack woodworker inside a bedroom who is still alive or not divorced. Anyway, the decision to share this project here on YouTube was taken once the project was almost finished. Therefore, kudos to My Views on Tech, who put great efforts into sharing his build here on YouTube. The links can be found inside the video description and the info box as well. So that was the first purpose for making this video. I have been asked if I was able to show the riving knife attachment of my upside down mounted circular saw, which is the second purpose for this video. All I did was making this slot here, in line with the blade, which is slightly larger than the riving knife itself. The attachment is made up of this 90 degrees angle piece. The horizontal part has a slot which helps me to quickly and easily adjust the riving knife in line with the circular saw blade. There is a threaded insert nut inside the base plate which serves as a single fixture point for this angle piece. And there are two threaded insert nuts in the vertical part of the angle piece in order to fix the riving knife. I'm actually using only one of these fixture points. And yeah, the riving knife has a slot too, in order to quickly and easily insert and remove it. This solution is an easy to make one, which gives me for most of my use cases the extra security provided by a riving knife. Maybe the shape of the riving knife can still be improved. With this one here, there is no way to set it lower than the blade, so for cuts that don't go through all the workpiece, I have to remove it. So that was the little insight I wanted to share with you. Thank you very much for watching. Subscribe to the Tiny Wood Workshop channel if you haven't yet, hit the bell icon and see you in the next video.